Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to invest more in a small case. Let's open the small case app. The small case user interface looks like this. At the bottom you can see the menu and you will have investments at the bottom right. Click on that. Once you click on investments under portfolio, it will show you the list of small cases you currently subscribe to. Here you can see that I have two small cases. The invest more amount will be different for different small cases. For example, here you can see that I have a Capital Mind Momentum small case. When I click on Capital Mind Momentum small case, to invest more, the minimum amount is 59,000. Whereas when I click on MI ATH2, it is a weekend investing small case. The minimum amount is 23,500. For demonstration purpose, I am going to invest more in a small case called as MI ATH2 by weekend investing. In every small case at the bottom right, you can see the invest more button. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will connect to your Demat account. In my case, it is Upstox. For you, it might be Zerodha or Grow. You need to log into your Demat account using your login credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, it will show you the minimum investment amount. This minimum investment amount keeps on changing depending upon the stock prices. If you are okay with that, simply click on confirm amount and it will show you the list of stocks and the number of shares you are going to buy. Click on invest more. Click on confirm orders. Here you can see that you will get a message. You have invested so and so amount in the small case, and also you will get this message topped up. You can click on view investments. Now here you can see that the balance has been updated in my small case. So that's it guys. In this way you can invest more in a small case. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.